personally, however you want to use it, there is no amount to what amount you can use a day. You know, there is no limit. You can use any amount you need. And it moisturizes skin. But what is the difference between Jamaican almonds and American almonds? These are tropical almonds, and these are grown in tropical countries all over the world. By the coastline, mostly, right? So you will find some of them on the inland area, but the majority of them you will find on the coastline. Because they're on the coastline, they have minerals that the almond tree does not have. They have 60% magnesium. Magnesium is best absorbed through the skin, right? They also have zinc, which is a natural sunscreen. There's no SPF because the SPF comes from zinc oxide, which is magnesium. There's also vitamin B contents in there from 1 to 12. Vitamin E, vitamin K that remove dark circles from under the eyes. It's also a natural antihistamine, natural anti-inflammatory, and anti-aging also. So what